The next kind of phone call tracking that we're going to be looking at is on-site call tracking. Now what this does is it uses Google's own forwarding numbers so that when somebody clicks on one of your Google AdWords ads and visits your site, the number on your site will be automatically switched out and replaced with a Google AdWords number. Now if anybody else visits the site, your number is going to stay the same. This is purely to track paid traffic from your ad campaign. So to set this up, we're just going to move up here and click select on phone calls again. And we're going to choose the second option, which is calls to a Google forwarding number on your website. Click continue. And we're going to go through the normal process of naming the conversion. On-site call, click done. We're going to enter the value. We're just going to keep this exactly the same as the previous video that we did on click to call. So click done. We're going to change the duration to 30 like we did in the previous video. We're going to leave this as unique. The conversion window is going to remain at 30 days. We're going to leave it as a lead and we're going to leave the conversion optimization. Okay, so we can just click save and continue. And this is where this gets slightly different. As you'll notice, it actually looks a little bit like what we saw in the website conversion setup. So here we can review the conversion settings. So we've got the name, on-site call, the value is £20, the call length is 30 seconds. We're going to count unique conversions. We have a conversion window of 30 days, the category is lead, and we've included conversion optimization. So let's scroll down. And again, just like the website conversion, we've seen something very similar. There's some code that we need to add. Now the difference with this is there is actually two pieces of code that need adding to the site. There is the script that's provided here that needs adding. And we also need to replace the phone number on your site using the get phone number function. Now this is a little bit more complex and it is definitely something you're going to probably need to get your developer to do this for you. Now there is more instructions here under the learn more, and by following these instructions they're going to be able to set this up for you. So you can save the tag like we mentioned before and that will save it in a text document, but I would recommend emailing this across to your developer. So again, you're just going to enter their email in here and leave a comment here just informing them that you want to track all the phone numbers on your website and then just click send. So we're just going to close this now. We're going to click done. Now again, it's going to tell us you're almost finished. To enable this conversion action, you need to configure your call extensions. This is actually something that we just did in the previous video, so we don't need to do this again. So we'll click it anyway. And as you can see, we already have the call extensions set up here. So basically what this on-site call tracking is going to do is it's going to use the same extensions that the click to call ads use and the same forwarding numbers. So we'll just go back to conversions now. And as you can see, we have the on-site call conversion down here. We also have the click to call that we made in the last video, and we also have our form submit for the website conversion we set up. Okay, so that's it. These are the main conversion actions that I would definitely recommend you set up. I hope you found these videos on conversion actions useful, and I will see you in the next video.